Serbia, yes.
Down a bit. Down a bit. The pop is covering your face. Yes.
Did she play too? Head coach, is that what they do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, coach.
Yes.
Coach, even help me.
Down a bit. Yes. Thank you.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Mommy.
Thank you. Yes. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Let's just take your
Promise.
Congratulations.
Sorry, sir. Just keep going.
Congratulations.
Sorry, sir. Can you just shoot it? Oh, okay. Thank you.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Are you new to the team?
Oh.
You didn't come. You were. Nice to meet you. Okay. Congratulations. Congratulations. Congratulations again. We should not supposed to give coach that. Go and get it from the coach. Only got 12. Coach, can we have your bouquet? I'll send you another beautiful one. Huh? I'll send you we didn't get a good head cap. Congratulations. He came emergency. I'll get you another bouquet. Congratulations. Congratulations. What did we do? Did we take with them first? Or they just had
Yeah, only the players. Yes. The coaches can go in, get their seats.
Please, the coaches may come with me.
After the event, all of you will now stand together.
Let me know when you have it, because I'm just here.
Deep sense of pride and joy that I welcome home our fierce the Tigers national basketball team after your historic 5th consecutive victory at the FIBA Women's AfroBasket 2025. This victory is not just a win on the court, it is a resounding statement of hard work, excellence, and national pride. This is a moment that will forever inspire generations of Nigerian girls and women to dream big, boldly, and pursue greatness. It is a clear indication that hard work and teamwork is what it takes to succeed. I celebrate you not only as athletes, but as ambassadors of sports of a great nation. Your victory comes, you agree, baby? Your victory comes at a time when Nigeria is basking in the glory of sporting excellence, following the Super Falcon recent victory. And you see, we haven't really gotten over that, and then this one, but we are so glad we are able to also celebrate you as well. You have given us another reason to believe in the power of Nigerian women to break barriers and set new records. I say well done to you all. To the technical team, including Coach Rina Wakama, your leadership and tutelage has paid off, and I still owe you your bouquet. Okay? To all our remarkable players, your performance is highly commendable. You embody courage and commitment. I pray your journey in life continue to be filled with success and light on the path for many more victories to come. Once again, I say congratulations. But before I take my leave, I wanted to share the inspiring story of Dr. Sarah Goke, one of your players, who is a full-time surgeon. Where is she? Who got certified last year. And she also had a baby last year. Congratulations, and that's the baby. I know. And when I said the ambassadors of such, she quickly agreed. Congratulations. And you remember when we hosted you last year, myself and the wife of the vice president, you were such a very adorable team. And what really stood out for you was, you can see then both of us were just planning to host. We said we have to celebrate you. And that was after the Super Falcons. But you all showed up. And you see that you're showing up that time, you know, gave you a seat at the table before Mr. President this time around. So I'm so happy and glad that you are here. God bless the wonderful the Tigers national basketball team. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Welcome home.
Your Excellency, the Mother of the Nation, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, distinguished Senator Oluremi Tinubu, my dear wife, Mrs. Nana Shetima, the Chief of Staff to Mr. President, Right Honorable Penny Bajabia Miller, the Chairman, House Committee on Sport, Honorable Kabiru Ahmadu, and Honorable Ministers present here, the Minister of Women Affairs, the Minister of State, Finance, the Minister of Arts, Culture, Tourism, and the Creative Economy, and the Minister of State, Ministry of Education. Chairman, National Sports Commission, Shehu Diko, all presidential aides present, the Director General, National Sports Commission, Olapade Bukola, and all members of the Commission, the President of the Nigeria Basketball Federation, who also doubles as the Chairman of the NNPC PLC, a former basketball player, Madam Ahmadu Musa Kida, and all members of his team, the Nigerian women basketball team, the Tigers, and champions of the 2025 FIFA Women's Afro Basketball Championship. The head coach, Reina Wakama, and all the members of the technical team present. Wives of our honorable ministers, other distinguished personalities, members of the fourth estate of the ring, honored guests, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Beyond being ambassadors of this great nation in a place of excellence, you have once again reminded us of the promise of sport in a nation this diverse. This victory is what happens when we work together. You have not only brought home a trophy, you have brought home lessons for all of us. It is therefore an ultimate honor and pleasure on behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR to welcome you to the State House, our formidable women's national basketball team, the Tigers. We are continental champions once more, and now the first African team to qualify for the 2026 FIBA Women's World Cup pre-qualifying tournament. You have conquered Africa and opened the door to global greatness. Your emphatic victory over Mali with a final score of 78 to 64 is a declaration not only of your tactical superiority, but of your readiness to dazzle the world. And I assure you that you are going forward with the blessings and support of the entire nation. My dear daughters, you fought back from behind in the first quarter, not with panic, but with poise. You wore the green and white not just as colors, but as a symbol of conviction and hope. And now, you wear this crown as Queens of African basketball for the 5th consecutive time. To Coach Wena Wakama, you represent the evolution of leadership in Nigerian sports. Your quiet strength and historic achievements have shattered ceilings and inspired countless young girls nationwide who now know that no dream is too bold for a Nigerian woman. Indeed, you deserve your award as the best coach in Africa and the world. To Ami Okonko, the tournament's most valuable player, and Edwin Yekalu, the top scorer in the final, your brilliance elevated the entire team. But most importantly, you did not play for yourselves. You played for and won with Nigeria. Let me take a moment to reflect on a greater truth. Nigerian women have never failed the nation in sports. From the Super Falcons standing tall on the world stage, to our athletes breaking record on the track, and Tigers building a basketball dynasty, our women have consistently made us proud. We have shown the world that when opportunity meets preparation, Nigerian excellence is inevitable. We owe you not just applause but decisive action. That is why, under this administration, we are repositioning sport as a key pillar of our national development strategy and economic drive. Sport is not merely entertainment, it is infrastructure, it is education, it is diplomacy. It is a powerful tool for youth employment, economic transformation, and global engagement. On behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I want to extend special appreciation to the National Sports Commission under the leadership of Malam Shehu Diko. The Commission's renewed focus on athlete welfare, institutional reform, grassroots support, and performance-based development is already yielding results. Let this be a signal that we are on the right path. I'm very proud of you. I also commend the Nigerian Basketball Federation, led by a former basketballer, Malam Ahmadu Musa Kida, who also serves as the chairman of the NLPC Limited, for its consistency in team development, strategic planning, and sacrifices for Nigeria's glory. Malam Ahmadu is personally known to me, and I have known the resources, his personal resources that he has invested in the development of basketball in this our great nation. Madam Musa, we are most grateful. I congratulate and honor you on behalf of the government and the people of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. As a government, we will ensure that Tigers and their technical crew are adequately recognized and rewarded, as well as the leadership of sports in Nigeria for their service to the nation. You have made us proud, and we will stand by you as you prepare for the global stage. To all our young people watching today, let the story of the Tigers remind you that greatness is a product of hard work, discipline, and belief. There is a video circulating of some middle-aged women that are being pushed to go to the football field. Nigeria belongs to those who dare to dream and are willing to give their best to make those dreams a reality. To the Tigress, you are champions, you are role models, you are pathfinders, you are true daughters of the land. It is my singular honor and pleasure and privilege to cherish forever. To make the following pronouncements on behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Am I allowed to continue? OON National Honors 14. OON National Honors 14 Coach and Technical Team. $100,000 for each player. For coach and technical team, each member. And wait for the final icing on the cake. One flag is for players, coach, and technical team. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this is leadership. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has shown leadership by recognizing and rewarding our daughters who have excelled on the continental stage. May God bless everyone. May God bless Nigerian sports.
Thank you so much. Elise gradually walking up with the trophy. A very majestic manner and style. Yes, you can see the smile on her face. Very beautiful smile. Yes, move on, move on, move on. You deserve it. It's your time. It's the place time. This is the time, and there it is. The Vice President receives the trophy. Raises it up. Yes, that's it. That's the style. That is the style. And yes, and he hands it over to the First Lady in turn. And the person will not do anything singly. He has ordered that all hands be on deck, as Mr. President would always advocate. And there it is. Thank you so much. Please, other members of the team could please come around and have the presidential